Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to change your profile name in your Facebook account. So I have here the dashboard of my Facebook account, and then I want to change my name. So let's go to the upper portion, the upper right side, click your picture, and then after that scroll down, then please go to settings and privacy. Click that and then go to settings. Once you click the settings, you will see here the meta, and then under that you will see the personal details. Click that, then click the profiles, then click this, and then after that you're going to change your name. If you want to change your name, click this, and then here you're going to, if you want to change your name, you can change your first name, middle name, and last name. By the way, your middle name is optional. You can also delete that or do not include anything there. And then once you change that, let's say for example I create change, you will see on the bottom portion review change. So you have to click that review change and enter your password, and then wait for the approval of the change of your name. So that's it.